Okay guys, now let's start our class of spelling and phonics titled Long Vowels with the Vce Pattern, and we're going to be answering the question, the essential question, which vowel you don't hear in the word spoke. Let's start. Alrighty, in here we have four words. As you can see, I'm going to pronounce them and I need you to pay attention to the final E and the vowel that is before the E, okay? Take a look of it and you draw your conclusions, okay? Pay attention to the pronunciation. Here I go. Save, save, save. Excuse, excuse, excuse. Cone, cone. Invite, invite, invite. What did you observe? Did you observe that the final E wasn't pronounced at all in each of the cases? Exactly. That is because all of these words belong to the Vce pattern. They obey to this pattern. And you might be wondering, teacher, but what is a pattern? A pattern is a model that all the words follow. There are some words that follow to certain models, and there are some other words that follow to other type of models. These models are called patterns and they repeat themselves in the words. And of course, in the words that obey them. Alright, let's see. So the Vce pattern are the ones that usually have a long vowel sound and the E is totally silent. The E is totally mute, so we don't pronounce it. Remember, you need to have a long vowel and then the final E is totally silent. Let's check please pages 14 and 20 in your Journeys New Frontiers Reader's Notebook Volume 1 or the purple notebook that you have in there, the purple one, the practice one. Okay, so as you can see, let me put the pages. Okay, as you can see, you have in here on page 14, you have a word bank, okay? Please pay attention to the pronunciation that I'm going to say right now so you can see how the Vce pattern repeats itself in all the words. Well, in all of them, yes. Let's see. I'm going to take some of them randomly. Base, base, chase, chase, plate, plate, tone, tone. There we are. Now, let's go to page 20. Let's listen to some other words that they obey to the Vce pattern. And they are in the spelling words chart. And pay attention because in this exercise, they were asking you to write the long vowels that you listen before the E is silent. Let's see some of them. For example, if I take the word number 7, let's pronounce it all together. Cube, cube, cube. Where does this word go? Where does it go? Exactly. It goes in the long U. Cube. You see? Very good. Now let's take another one. Number 13. Life. life, life. Where does it go? This one, this one, this one, or this one? This one? No. This one? Yes. Very good. The long I in life, and then it comes the E, the silent E. Did you observe that? That is because all these words obey to the Vce pattern. Is there any question? If there is any question, please do not hesitate and send a message to me through the chat in Teams so I can answer to you. Alrighty. As I was telling you, of course, there are other patterns called common vowel pairs, as you see in there. These vowel pairs, you're going to see them in some words, as you can see in these examples. Always, clay, and cheese. Let's go everybody to page 30 to see more about them. I hope that you already did these exercises. If not, please do them after you finish this class. Okay, let's see. Which one it would be these patterns? They are spelled A-I, A-Y, E-E, and E-A, okay? Let's see. Let's take one from the word bank that appears on page 30. Let's take queen. Queen. Which pattern does queen belong to? Exactly. It belongs to this one. Excellent. Now, can you identify where the word chain goes? The word chain, where does it go? In this one, or in this one? You will tell me when we see the live session in the class. Okay, now we have another pattern that is the long O spelled O-A, O-W. Give me two examples, words with these two patterns. You can find, just to help you out a little bit, you can find some examples on page 31. Let's take, for example, some of them in the word bank. Let's take the first one. It says arrow. Arrow. Where does it go? Arrow. You're going to give it to me in our next class. And the word goal. Goal. Where does it go? The word goal? You're going to tell me in our next class. As you can see, here we have other words. Slow, slow, and coach. Coach. All right. You tell me which pattern do they belong to in the next class. Think about it. Well, thank you for your attention. It was a pleasure to greet you and see you again. Please do not miss our next class, and well, see you later. Bye. Take care.